Hey guys, so my name is Khan, and today I will be talking about a trading system called as Galileo FX. And the reason why I chose Galileo FX is because what I saw on the website. As a small introduction, I'll say that I have been trading the financial market for the last 6 to 7 years, and mostly in the currency market. I've been there, and I've used so many algorithms over the span of 6 years. I have tested more than you can say like 1,000 trading systems. So the reason why I chose to trade with Galileo FX today is because of these three things. So once you go onto their websites, you'll see that they have been posting on Yahoo Finance, Newsbreak, and Digital Journal. So for those of you who live in America and know these know that these three websites are one of the top websites in the financial markets. So Yahoo Finance is there, Newsbreak is there, and we also have the digital journal as well. So they have some verified articles over there, and so I thought, okay, there is something going on, and I need to test out the system. So I was trading last year on this one, and I made a small profit of $6. It's not small, but the risk I was taking was sufficient enough to produce $6 for me. So this could have been like $60, $600, or even 6,000 or 60,000. So today as well, I'm gonna be training again, and let's see how it goes today. I'm currently in the mid of New York and London session. So the reason why I chose to trade this session is because the best volatility that I get. Myself, I am a scalper and a day trader. Scalper and a day trader, for beginners who do not know, mean that the kind of person who gets in and out of the markets pretty quickly. And day traders are usually holding the trade for a longer term, for like the whole day. And but I can hold the trade for a long day, but sometimes I just want to go in and out. So the Galileo FX guys, they told me that our system can help you adapt to most of the styles, preferably day trading and swing trading, but it can also help out with scalping as well. So the way I trade using Galileo FX is I usually apply a semi-automated trading approach, meaning that I'll use the algorithm to get inside the market and I'll then exit whenever I feel like, or I'll just wait for the system to exit itself. So without any further explanations, let's see what it can do today. So I'm currently on the M1 chart on your USD. So let's paste the system over here and I have this bunch of settings. So I do not like to trade based on lots. I try to trade based on the dynamic risk percentage. And this is a good setting within the system because I believe I do not have to like calculate each and every lot size before placing it because that's you do not want that you do not want to do such manual calculations while you are trading and on the screen because there is a lot going on already. So I try and set the max orders to whatever it likes, and I leave the stop loss and take profits at zero because, as you know, I've used semi-automated approach. But for those of you who prefer using strict risk management, you can set the stop loss in points, you can set the stop loss in point, take profit in points, which is absolutely great for risk management. And also, like, it's a good choice for anyone who is trading with a proprietary company and looking to trade with funded capital because those companies can ask you to have a strict stop loss in points or in pips, doesn't matter. And you need to adhere to strict risk management rules in there. And we also have a trading start and trading step in points. So if I want to like get in, if I'm in profitable stage and I wanted to like take a little bit of the market, I can do that as well. This is a good option for me. The reason why it's a good option for me is because I am a scalper, and I would prefer if there is something in place for me that's already taking my profits. And so, as you know, in the London and New York sessions, the market can move really rapidly. So I usually set this to like 15 points and 10 points here. And the indicator settings that I know of from the Galileo FX guys, they told me that if you increase the settings from 0 to 10, the algorithm will take more calculated risk. And if you are more closer to the zero spot, it will take less significant risks. So for me, I like to like trade a bit aggressively. So I'll just set the settings to 3 here. And I'll see here as well, or maybe yeah, 3 is fine as well. So let's see, auto trading is enabled, everything is done and set. There is also one thing as well that I like to hear, and that is that I also have the opportunity to input custom set files, pre-optimized set files that they have already provided me. So I do not have to optimize the system myself as well. But as I'm a pretty experienced trader, I can understand what these settings are. So for those of you who do not know what these settings are, you can just use these settings and get yourself a pre-optimized trading strategy right working right away. All right then. So let's click on OK, and our trading algorithm is live right now. I think I'll trade on one more currency pair, and let's trade on USD, GBP USD right now. Or yeah, let's select the F1 time frame. For this one, I will use the optimized set files that have been provided by the Galileo FX team. So I'll go into the setting, I'll go into the optimized presets, and let's see if we have the one for GBP USD 5-minute chart. There you go. All right, so everything is cool. I'll set the lot size to 0 because I want to trade based on risk percentage. And let's set this to 0. All right, good. So I'll trade on USD CAD and USD JPY as well on the M1 time frame if possible. M1 time frame. So there's this there, and set this as 0. I want the trading starting points to be enabled. 10 to 16. Set this to a bit risky mode. All right. So USD CAD is working as well, and let's trade on USD JPY as well today. So we are starting at $100,000, nearly 100,000, 100,000, and $6.80. So with USD JPY, I want to go all in. I want to max the risk out. So set this to 0. Risk percentage is also set, and I'm live here. So as we wait for the system to play some trades, let's go on and review their website and see what these guys have in store. So one thing that I prefer or I like is that they have this guy Marvin here. He's already there to help you out and see if there is anything going wrong. He will correct it out for you. So I use the ROI calculator initially to see what kind of profits that I can achieve using the system. So it provides you all the recommendations because based on your custom settings. So I like to make quick short-term games. Scalpers, they all like quick short-term games. And risk tolerance, I was a bit more moderate, and everything. How much experience I had, a lot of experience. How much time are you willing to spend on monitoring and managing your investments? Minimal. I set this as minimal because, as you know, I'm a day trader or a scalper. I say that a lot because you need to understand what kind of trading style you have to be in order to be more profitable in the markets. All right then, so everything was set up. I had $100,000 to $10,000 of investment budget. It's very important for me to have control over the bot settings and strategies. So, for example, here I can easily set up, as I can show you, the stop loss and the take profit in points if I want to. And the reason why it's important is because you have to be careful when the news events are coming out. You have to have your stop losses defined at that set point, and I think the way it helps the system helps me out is good enough. That's it. All right then. So I have it's very important. Okay, day trading, as you know, more than 2 years, and I'm open to learning. You have to always be open to learning how the systems are going to work because that in the end increases your chance of being profitable. Customer support is very important for me. That's why I appreciate the Marvin guy over here. He helps you out whenever you are in case of any need. So in the end, you will enter your email, and these guys will reach out to you with the best settings and solve any confusions that you have during purchasing or setting up the system. Anyone who is not like experienced enough, they can also ask them to install the system on their platform, and they will do so for a small fee. It is good as well. All right, then let's see what else we have. Let's go to the performance tab. And so this is a good thing. I said they have just shared all the back tests in here, and you can see what kind of performance you may expect in the future using these back testing reports. So here they have in 34,000 over 34,000 percentage each month with a drawdown of 19.23%. And here they have generated 27,000 percentage with drawdown of 21%. These are quite good records, I'd say. I would also appreciate if there was some live records as well, where backtesting records can also help you out sometimes when you need to gauge the performance of any system. Let's see what futures we have. Let's see if we are live. Yeah, we are live. We are in the markets right now. We have a trade on Euro USD. As you know, that I was pretty aggressive on this one. And let's see what settings are there. Okay, so we have the trading starting points. We have the trading stepping points. So whenever the system is profitable for us, it will automatically help me get the profit that I want, which is a great setting. So as I am reviewing right now, so I'm not on the screen. I am here telling you guys everything. So I will set a trading stop for every currency pair that I know. This is the reason why I was saying that you need to have these things so that you can help improve the profitability of your system. And so let's see that. This, this, this. Also set this to 20 or maybe not. Uh, I think I'm gonna close my trade here and just do auto trading. So yeah, a quick $3, or you can say $330, $30, $300, $3,000, $30,000. It all depends upon the kind of risk that you are willing to take on the system. So for me, as you know, I'm a scalper. I like to get in the markets and get out quickly. Here, it was the same case. I know that the market is giving me free money right here. So I went in and I went out quickly when I had my profits, and I'm done for the day. The reason why I'm done for the day is because I like to keep my profits where they are. So I'll tackle the markets later on next day and see what I can do. So here I was just reviewing the website and I found so many detailed information, which is obviously a plus for that. And let's go into the reviews and see what other users are saying. Profit, most probably like what I'll do with the system is I'll put on it on a proprietary company and see if I can trade on challenges using this bot. So let's see what these guys are saying. Very good. Okay. Okay. So yeah, he's also trading with the bot on a prop firm. So he's won 350K in funding and he's okay, good. He's trading on a prop firm with 350K, which is quite good thing for him, I'd say. I'm trying to achieve the same thing with trading algorithms that I have because, as you know, that's what everyone is looking for these days. So let's see what else do we have. There were some sections in the bottom. There are so many views. I think we need to switch the page. Okay, good. Okay, we already went through these. I've lost the question. Let's see what's in there. Stop loss setting. Oh, yeah, this is the one that I was talking about. You need to have a stop loss in place to manage your risk if you are a beginner or an amateur trader. It's always a good thing to do, and having this setting is a good plus, I'd say. For installation services, they have that as well. They have the best settings as well. Oh, they have a community tab as well. Let's see what we can get in there. Um, they have shared all the settings and strategies tabs, and so let's see how people are discussing here. So this guy is also asking the question that how he can adjust, and I see that people are helpful down there. Hmm, good stuff. I'm just going through this stuff quickly to just tell you guys what I feel about all these things. So community tab is a good thing where I can go in and see what other guys are doing and what I can expect with the system before purchasing or after a purchase. Uh, the CEO has also reached out. So the CEO is David Matarazzi, and he is He's here. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, we invite you to connect with us directly and share good ideas and wishes. So that's a good thing. And let's see how we can contact this guy. So they have these offices and they have shared their registered tax IDs as well. And you can also book a Zoom call with them to get an idea on how these systems work. So overall, yeah, I would say that it's a pretty decent system and it's worth giving a try and see how it suits your trading style and how it can help you make the same profits that other people might be getting. And one thing that I would like to have in this system is the ability to close out trades on Friday or Saturday automatically. So the reason is that over the weekends, for those guys who are swing trading, sometimes I'd also like to like make a swing trade, and I would prefer if there is a stop button on stopping the system automatically when it notices that okay, it's Friday right now. There is no need to trade anymore. I would appreciate that thing. Otherwise, I think it's a good thing, and yeah, give it a test if you guys want. So here is my um, take on Galileo FX. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. Have a good day.